pretty. Oh no, it's almost lunchtime. Lele, can you make some food for us? Okay, I'll start cooking. Don't worry, I set the table. All done. What else do we need? Tablecloths. Check. It's a hard work. Ooh. All done. Oh, I almost forgot something. We need knife, cups, and plates. All done. Okay, let me start cooking. Oh! Is this a mango or something else? I don't know. I just thought that. It fell, so we need to wash it. Ew, I love avocados. Okay. Oh, wash it again. Prepare the juice now. Avocado, mango. I don't know what's this in. Well, I just will put it here. Strawberry. This, no. Eggs. This is not gonna fit here. It's alright. Banana. I don't know what to talk about. I'll just do it. Ooh, a lot of things. Okay, now don't do this anymore. Oh, I forgot to do something. I think it's gonna fit here. Yep. Okay. Food's ready. Ooh, a lot of things. This. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Enjoy